Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with power and a clear connection state, so charge both earbuds to at least 50% and leave them seated in the case. Once done, go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and forget or disconnect the Go Air Pop. This clears the pairing record. Next, open the case lid and leave the earbuds inside. You're creating the conditions for a hard reset. Make sure to have a timer or watch ready for precise hold times. Timing matters for the next steps. You now do the actual reset. Press and hold both earbuds touch controls simultaneously for about 15 seconds. Maintain steady pressure. During that hold, watch the LED behavior. You should see a clear change, like alternating white and red flashes or a white blink then off. That's the unit clearing settings. When you see that change, release both earbuds, then close the case and wait around 5 seconds to let the firmware finalize the reset. This sequence forces the earbuds back to factory pairing mode. Open the case lid and re-enable Bluetooth on your phone. You should see JLab Go Air Pop as a fresh device. Tap it to pair and confirm stereo connection. If pairing fails, make sure both earbuds and the case are fully charged, then repeat the reset sequence. Sometimes toggling your phone's Bluetooth off and on helps. If problems persist, restart your phone or clear its Bluetooth cache, because leftover profiles can block new pairing. This last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.